friends! I'm Aisso.
And I'm Plume, your little explorer bird. Tweet, tweet!
Today I heard a very loud sound. Listen! No Plume! Let's find out which animal it is. Look! Look, Plume. This animal is called the lion.
Wow! He has a big mane that looks like the sun.
The lion lives in the savanna, where it's very hot. The female is called a lioness, and the young are called cubs. He is a mammal, and he eats meat. Plume, lions don't fly, but you're better at singing.
Yes! I'm the king of singing, not the king of the savannah!
Now, we're going to sing.
In the warm, bright, golden sun, the lion walks, he doesn't run. His shining mane blows in the breeze. He is the king beneath the trees. The trees.
True or false?
The lion lives in the savanna?
It's true! Great job, little explorers!
Is the lion a domesticated animal?
It's false! Great job, little explorers! The lion is wild animal!
So, today we discovered the lion, his mane, his roar, and his life in the savanna.
See you soon for another